Why do 90% of students find solids more intriguing than liquids or gases? Let's dive in to find out. In our everyday lives, we encounter solids everywhere, from your smartphone screen to the salt in your kitchen. But what makes solids so unique? First, solids have a fixed shape and volume. They're not like liquids that flow or gases that expand. And within solids, we have two types, crystalline and amorphous. Crystalline solids, like diamonds, have an ordered structure, making them strong and often shiny. Amorphous solids, like glass, lack this order, making them more flexible but also more fragile. Want to ace your chemistry exams? Check out BYJU'S for top-notch NCERT Solutions and Exemplar Solutions. With clear explanations and real-life examples, mastering the solid state has never been easier. So next time you hold a diamond or glass, you'll know the science behind their sparkle and strength.